All right, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. We are going to do an unboxing of Black Rifle Coffee. Love the shipment. Let's watch a funny intro. Love that intro. Okay, so Black Rifle Coffee. The best subscription you can get if you like coffee. If you don't like coffee, then you probably won't like it. So let's open this thing up and see what they sent us. Because I just ran out. So, okay, so here it is. So we got midded out. This is a dark roast. You know, they make really good dark roast. I'm not usually a dark roast fan. I like that one. Well, I don't know about that one. I haven't tasted that. Here's a light roast called Flying Elk Coffee. Now this one, I'm not sure. We gotta look it all up. This is an extra dark roast. Smoky flavors. So very cool. I've never had an extra dark roast before, so this is a new one. New flavor. Ooh, this is an attractive package. Blackbeard's Delight. This is a dark roast too. Robust flavors with hints of baker's chocolate. So, very cool. And then this is a delicious espresso. So, this is a medium roast, but this is a delicious espresso. So, let's see what else. Do they give me anything else? And a sticker. Coffee or die. That's awesome, guys. I'm looking forward to this extra dark roast. Let me smell it. It was like smelling coffee. Coffee smells are so good, huh? All right, get ready. Get ready. It definitely is extra dark. It does not smell burnt. You can smell that smoky. Here, smell. There you go. They're very good. See? All right. This will last me maybe a month. Gotta be careful. Take care, everybody.